Could this compact kit be the ultimate answer to all your outdoor cooking and hydration needs? Forget flimsy gear. This setup promises rugged reliability for the wild. We're talking about the Pathfinder School stainless steel canteen cooking set, a three-piece marvel designed to be your go-to companion for any adventure. Right out of the pack, one immediately notices the thoughtful design. This isn't just a canteen, it's an entire system. You get a generous 39-ounce wide-mouth stainless steel canteen, which is a real game-changer for filling up from shallow streams or tricky water sources. No more struggling with tiny openings when you're parched. Nestled perfectly around it is a 25-ounce stainless steel cup, complete with those clever folding, bat-wing handles that provide a secure grip and fold away neatly for storage. And of course, a fitted lid for that cup, essential for efficient cooking and keeping your brew warm. The construction here is genuinely impressive. This isn't some lightweight, flimsy aluminum. We're looking at high-quality, single-wall 304 stainless steel, robustly built with a thickness of 0.5 to 0.6 millimeters. What does that mean for you? It means this kit is built to take a beating. You can place it directly over an open flame or hot coals, without a second thought about warping. It's food-grade, rust-resistant, and tough enough to endure years of daily outdoor use, whether you're deep in the backcountry or just enjoying a backyard campfire. One of the standout features is its incredible space efficiency. The stove nests inside the cup, and the cup then fits snugly around the canteen, creating a tight, portable package. Weighing in at under 2 pounds, it's surprisingly light for such a durable setup, making it perfect for backpackers who count every ounce. This smart design ensures it won't take up unnecessary space or add undue weight to your pack. Its versatility is another huge plus. This isn't just for camping, it transitions seamlessly across all your outdoor pursuits. Think hiking trails, hunting trips, fishing excursions, or even critical survival situations. Use it to prepare hot meals, boil water for purification during emergencies, or simply enjoy a hot beverage on a chilly morning. It's a dependable workhorse, ready for anything. And finally, the trust factor. This kit comes from the Pathfinder School, meaning it's been designed and rigorously field-tested by survival experts. That pedigree alone instills confidence that this gear will perform when it matters most. Whether you're scaling mountains, trekking remote paths, or just having a picnic, you can rely on this kit to keep you hydrated and fed. In summary, the Pathfinder School stainless steel canteen cooking set is a remarkably robust, intelligently designed, and incredibly versatile piece of outdoor gear. It's a true all-in-one solution that delivers on its promise of durability and functionality, making it an outstanding choice for anyone serious about their outdoor adventures.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.